So this is a quick follow-up that I may not even post to my ultimate webcam setup video yesterday. I did want to point out that the ZCam E1 does have a ZLOG recording LUT, which supposedly will make it easier to color grade. So I'm going to go a little back and forth here, just showing the, super flat ZLOG profile as is. We are at 1080p, 60 FPS, YUI2, RGB, all max uncompressed settings as I could get here. Still recording, or still producing a final H.264 result, of course. There's some blue back there, blue on my shirt, blue on my eyes, yellow on my hair. Currently all flat, and then we'll wipe a color grade over it. And then I'm actually going to go in here. I didn't think about this ahead of time. I'm going to go and change the lights behind me and just see what that looks like. So we're going to go, switch Wi-Fi real quick. I'm just doing this all like one take, super quick. Just something I wanted to have a little bit of fun with, if that's all right here. All right, so we have the lights in the back, and I'm just going to rotate the colors. Yeah, even in this flat mode, all that color is actually producing quite a bit of color back there. And then we are back to blue. All right, so if this turned out, just an interesting fact that this ultimate webcam can do some form of log, not legit log necessarily, but a form of flat produced log here that may make your webcam videos even better. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Go check out the ultimate webcam setup video if you missed it, and I'll see you next time.